Get a side shot of this.
It sounds like a rabid squirrel.
This is Gretchen's new dog.
If you'd call it a dog.
His name is Chim Chim.
Listen to that thing.
It's Gretchen's little doggy.
He's beating it into submission. Ah, doggy.
The dog is barking. It hurts from Gretchen hitting it.
Oh no, Chim Chim has fallen and he can't get up. She's assaulting him.
And that is it.